Genuine fat ass. So the last time that I drank this coffee, I had to make like 4 poop stops, which means it really does wonders for your metabolism, and yes, it's really good for you. Guys, as much as I hate repeating outfits when I'm on vacation, generally I can repeat, I don't care, but I'm wearing the sweater again, so you guys know how much I like it. It's so nice. It's the 3rd time I'm wearing it, and I actually quite like it. I'm probably gonna go to the mall, buy something else and change, but for now I love it.
But since now we're online,
now I'm all confused by this. Why? ज़्यादा गर्म ना करो, तब होती है गर्म ज़्यादा नहीं गर्म।
I am at Dubai Mall, and I just want to go to Claire's and look for phone cases now. I'm probably gonna get something from Starbucks also. I love this part of the mall. I'm just gonna meet my sister outside later, but till then I'm just gonna be here, and then I'm gonna meet a friend, and then we'll see what happens. I'm waiting at the metro lane. I'm not going on the metro, but I'm waiting for someone. Have a date. I'm just standing here and waiting. Where are you, Anusha? On top. Guys, this is Zoella's stuff. I think it's interesting and looking like that. People are back. She wasn't.
Is your sister with somebody?
No, I think she's not.
Join us.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. My sister.
She's always snapping. Like I'm on her snap like once every month, you know?
That's the Apple store. And that's just crazy people waiting to watch the thing. I'm walking towards Sephora. I'm gonna try the Fenty foundation on my face and see if I like it, and if I do, then I guess I'm buying it. Excuse me, where's Fenty?
Just in the corner there. Just go right.
Thank you. Finally! So everyone interested, take a nice, hard, good look at Dubai Mall. For the last time. After this, I'm not going to be coming here. My flight is tomorrow. Sorry, I didn't talk properly. And so that's all of Dubai Mall.
Station is Business Bay.
We're in the metro. We just got off the metro and now we're gonna get a taxi. Jesus. Anyways, we're gonna get a taxi and go home now.
आप पाकिस्तानी हैं? अच्छा.
आप ऐसा कि अगर कोई स्नैपर है, मैंने मोबाइल पकड़ा हुआ है, वो मुझसे छीनने के वक्त 101 दफ़ा सोचेगा। पहले बहुत था, रोड पे रोकते थे लोग, अभी नहीं है, क्योंकि एक तो रोड पे पेट्रोलिंग है पुलिस की, दूसरा लोगों को खौफ होता है सामने वाले से।
We are walking after 12 midnight. Guys, it's our last day here and our flight's at 3. No, sorry, our flight's at 6. We're gonna go to the airport at 3. And right now I think we're just gonna make one last stop at the mall and then go to the airport. I'm not sure. Let's see. Spot Miss Fatty. Miss Fatty caught in action. Wow, the lighting is killing it on my flawless skin. I don't know how my skin looks so flawless in this camera, to be honest. Sorry. This should not be showing. Anyways, so I think it's because of, I don't know what it's because in real life my skin does not look as great, you know. Actually, I don't know. आप ही लोग बता सकते हैं. A lot of people meet me and they're like, why are you always complaining about your skin? It's pretty great. But I'm like, I don't know, man. You know, I honestly feel like it was on the other side. उसने मुझे गलत जगह भेज दिया. Okay guys, so I'm done with the mall. We are done with the mall and now we're just gonna go for lunch and then we'll be off to the airport.
Perfectly into that, you know, Me Too situation that.
और मैं
No, where you know all the women are coming
Hashtag Me Too.
were abused long ago and or all along. Me Too fits in perfectly. Oh, we didn't ask to be born.
We're at the airport. What should I do?
جميع بوابات المغادرة. All departure gates.
I need to pee. Swatches. Internally weeping. I don't want to go there. I honestly can't believe it. I can't believe it. Hi Zark.
What's up, faggot?
Welcome back to Karachi. Oh wait,
Faggot.
you were here the entire time. Oh, I almost just like fell. Anyways, so yeah, I'm back. Can't wait to. Oh, I don't want to go home. So you guys, that was the end of this series of vlogs. Oh my god, I still have mascara in my lashes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed all of these videos I made, and I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Dubai, even though I posted all the vlogs after coming back. I still hope you guys enjoyed them, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and thumbs up for more travel vlogs. Tell me down below if you enjoyed this series. If you did, that's amazing and I'm happy. By the way, on the flight today I met two girls. They were twins and one of them apparently follows me on Instagram. If you're watching, I'm so overwhelmed. And dunya kitni choti hai. It's unbelievable. Anyways, so yeah, pahunch gaye. We're back now. And yeah, the whole flight my head was throbbing. But anyways, guzar gaya time. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying with me. Good night, and I hope you guys see you guys in future travel vlogs as well. So yeah, bye bye, take care.